P block elements 2, nitric acid physical properties. Physical properties of nitric acid HNO3. Pure nitric acid is colorless. Remember this word, pure nitric acid is colorless. Because after preparing nitric acid in Oswald process, the final step is the nitric acid is bleached with blowing air. Bleached, veluthitto. So pure nitric acid is colorless. Nitric acid is in liquid state, therefore it boils at 86 degrees Celsius. Nitric acid boils at 86 degrees Celsius. One more important point here we have to note is that the acid is completely miscible with water, forming a constant boiling mixture. The nitric acid is completely miscible with water, form a constant boiling mixture, 98% of nitric acid. Boiling point is increased to about 120.5 degrees Celsius. Note that boiling point. Pure nitric acid boiling point is 86 degrees Celsius. When it is added to water, it forms hydrogen bond with water molecule. Nitric acid forms hydrogen bond with water molecule. Due to the formation of hydrogen bond, the boiling point increases to 120.5 degrees Celsius. So, those compounds which form hydrogen bond with water molecule, their boiling point also increases. Remember always. Fuming nitric acid containing oxides of nitrogen. We already discussed it. When you open the bottle of nitric acid, brown fumes are obtained. That brown color fumes are due to the formation of nitrogen dioxide. Nitric acid decomposes on exposure to sunlight or on being heated into nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen. HNO3, when placed in the presence of sunlight or on heating, undergo decomposition, gives nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen. I will explain how to balance this reaction. Now, due to this reaction, pure acid or its concentrated solution becomes yellow on standing. So, due to this decomposition reaction, the concentrated solution becomes yellow on standing. Now we see how this reaction takes place and how to balance this reaction. This is the physical properties of nitric acid. Decomposition of nitric acid. HNO3 nitric acid undergo decomposition gives nitrogen dioxide plus H2O and O2 if it is concentrated nitric acid. If it is dilute nitric acid, then oxide liberated is NO. Now as usual, how to balance this reaction? Because of oxygen is in molecular state, we can balance this equation by fractional method. What is the first step in the balancing of oxygen by fractional method? First we have to balance other elements except oxygen. We have hydrogen and nitrogen. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. So other elements are balanced now. The second step is count the number of oxygen atom opposite to the molecular oxygen side. Right hand side and the O2 தனியாக இதுக்கு opposite side left hand side 2 into 3 are 6 oxygen on the left hand side. Right hand side also 6 oxygen. 2 into 2 are 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So we require extra only 1 oxygen. We require 6 oxygen. On the right hand side we are having 2 into 2 are 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So we require only 1 oxygen. 2 into dash equal to 5. 2 into dash equal to 1. 1 by 2. 5 oxygen. We require 1 oxygen. 2 into dash equal to 1. 2 into half equal to 1. When you multiply the whole equation by the denominator quantity 2, we will get 4HNO3 nitric acid on decomposition multiplied by 2 4NO2 plus 2H2O plus 2 into half equal to 1 O2. 2 into half equal to 1 O2. So, due to this reaction, pure acid and its concentrated solution becomes yellow on heating. This is the physical properties of nitric acid. Thank you.